name is Clinton Smith from Image House Studios. With a collaborated effort, we've assembled a team called Let's Rebuild, Jamaica Strong. Our team members are Clinton Smith, Sivan Smith, Roy T. Anderson, Jahsen Levy, and Courtney Campbell. Hurricane Melissa left our island in shambles. Our people are crying, frustrated and desperate. St. Elizabeth, Mountainside, Black River, Santa Cruz, Trelawney, Montego Bay, and Westmoreland has been hit the hardest. The damages are catastrophic, and the families that were impacted by the hurricane are broken and feel helpless. One woman said she wished she had died in the storm because it took everything from her. We, the team members, Let's Rebuild, Jamaica Strong, are determined to assist with bringing back our island. We've already started the mission by supplying food, water, and shelter for the needy. We've also loaned out generators. Unfortunately, our resources are limited and are running out. We have tools and the manpower to rebuild our homes. Please help us to help our nation. Let's rebuild Jamaica Strong.